Hello guys! Today is Saturday. Walang araw and punta kami sa Metro Town. Let's go! Bata pa. Dahon na magkabit. Magiging red lang. Diba? Dito na kami sa train station, sa Gateway, and 2 minutes pa bago dumating yung next train. Dito na kami sa Metro Town. Dito na kami sa Metro Town. So mula sa bahay, sumakay lang kami ng Gateway Station. Siguro mga 8 stations lang. And itong Metro Town ay nasa city ng Burnaby. So kaya kailangan mag-train. Mabilis lang naman, mga 30 minutes andito ka na. Let's go! Pasyal tayo! Dito kami muna sa arcade para maglibang muna yung bata. So mamaya papasyal pa tayo.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 let you go. I'll never 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 let you go.
Dito pa kami sa Metro Town at papunta na kami ng King George.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were done whatever. Ride and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together.
And that's the end of our Metro Town trip or gala. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. Bye!